Hi, in this video we're going to talk about making a Google drawing and then how to save it to your Google Drive. So first up, I'm going to search for Google Drawings, and that'll get me to these results. I click on Google Drawings. It'll get me to this blank canvas. So here I'm going to draw an ionic compound today. So I'm going to name it ionic compound. And right here I can decide where I'm going to save it. And so for me, I'm just going to save it to my main drive, so that's good. And you could categorize it as one of your classes if you wanted, or you could have a drawings folder, that'd be fine. I'm going to go to this menu right here. The one that gives me the most flexibility of these options is the scribble. So I'm going to do a scribble. Now perhaps my task is to draw a compound, and it's a combination of magnesium and sulfur, and I'm told that it's magnesium sulfide. So you saw me scribbling right there. That's the gist of it. So to draw this, I'm using the scribble tool, and I'm going to draw magnesium, and I'm going to draw my sulfide over here. Magnesium has 2 valence electrons, and it loses them when it becomes an ion. As it loses 2 electrons, it's going to have a 2+ charge as a result. The sulfide has 6 valence electrons. It's going to gain 2 electrons to have a full outer shell. And if it gains 2 electrons, it's going to have a 2- charge. Because the magnesium here is positive, I'm going to write down that this is a cation. Cations are positive. And then the negative one, a negative ion, is an anion. So I'm going to write anion right here. Now I could type it. There are text box tools and things in here. So you have some other options, but the scribble again is the greatest flexibility that I have for drawing on this blank canvas. Now once it says that it's saved up here, and it is saved, so here it is, all changes saved in Drive, I can close this window, and then if I'm in a Google form, for example, I can upload this drawing, looking for the name that I saved it under, and that's it.